Yo, what's up guys? Andy here, back with another Cash App video. Today we're talking about the Cash App Boost feature. A few days ago, I noticed that Cash App removed boosts from the app. We can go to the card screen here, and boosts are a feature which allows you to get a discount on your purchase whenever you use a card. So technically they're not removed, they're just under a new name. For some reason, Cash App doesn't want to call them boosts anymore. Maybe that was confusing to people. Maybe it's not like a universally understood term, so people outside of the US may have been confused by it. So now if we tap swap here, you can see that they're called offer, which is essentially just a discount at some place that you can select. You can see offer at the top of the screen. Boosts are no longer a thing, and even if you go into the support section and search boost, there's not going to be any results for boosts. We can tap on this and see it's now called offers. Get started with cash offers. So there it is, the update for boost, now called offers. I just thought this was interesting, something you guys should know and something to point out. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.